We're the world's largest manufacturer of quiche. We produce over 1 million pieces of quiche a day at full capacity. We can create a party for 250,000 people in one day. Mouth-watering, savoring products that you'll find in your local freezer. When we have to find inventory to bring it back to production to finish the actual boxing and palletizing, you have to know where it is. Understanding where your inventory is at all times, instead of somebody thinking they put it away one place, it really is over here, and when they need to bring it back in production, it's not, trying to find a needle in a haystack kind of thing. The warehouse guy had to actually move 800 bins or pallets to find one bin of product to make the finished goods. To create downtime, the line was stopped. We have to have better inventory tracking, take a lot of the labor out of the transactional side of things before we send out a tag at 5 cents, 10 cents, 50 cents out on every case and pallet to Walmart. So we kind of came to the point that do we put another barcoding system in for data collection or do we just move directly into RFID, thinking we have to be there anyway. The way we've implemented RFID is in a closed loop inventory system, keeping track of our sub-assemblies and final assemblies in a frozen freezer warehouse. We know where the inventory is, we tell you where to put it, we tell you where it is when you go get it and when you need it for either the supply chain out finished goods or back to production for final assembly. We estimate about 75,000 transactions will happen in the warehouse management system from production out into the supply chain. Right now it's about $4 a transaction. We think we can get it down to about 35 cents a transaction. And that's what's really important to management is we can sustain the business with the people we have, lower our cost of producing quiche, and then still be compliant with Walmart come 2006.
We help Nancy's implement their RFID solution in a closed-loop environment to help them improve their ROI with tracking of inventory. It's a matter of architecting the solution so you set the right expectations. We have a model saying start small, think big, and to start with a small pilot and grow from there. It's not trying to implement RFID throughout their entire facility until they realize that there's a value to that proposition.
You're going to get your hands dirty. It's not as easy as just putting in some software, putting in a server, and some other technologies. They definitely need to understand the big picture of people, processes, anywhere from the maintenance folks to the production, up to the C-level folks. They all have to be on that kickoff meeting to understand that business is going to change. The way that we do it now is not going to be the way we're going to do it in the future.